Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Pad, and in this video we would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Firefox browser on it. So first of all, connect your tablet to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store app, and you gotta sign in if needed, which is in my case true. So I will quickly log into the Google Play Store. After that, let me quickly enter the password off the screen, of course. Alrighty, so now once the Play Store is ready, you can just go ahead and enter the Firefox query at the search bar. So type in Firefox. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Firefox browser to get downloaded and installed respectively. After that, you can just go ahead and open the browser. In here is a little introduction where you can set up certain things, such as choose the theme that will be used with the browser, change the toolbar placement, sign into the account and synchronize if necessary, enable or disable the privacy protection by default option, get accustomed with the privacy policy of the Mozilla Firefox, and just once you're ready, just tap on the respective start browsing button and you will be able to start using the app. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.